It begins with a vision, a dream rooted in the earth, with the vast sky as its ceiling. With every passing hour and every single brick, the dream slowly takes shape. Walls rise to form the heart of a home, and windows are placed to let the world in. Under the changing sky, a shelter is built, a place to weather any storm. The final strokes of color, the first signs of life, turning a house into a home. And there it stands. A simple dream, beautifully realized. A peaceful corner of the world made by hand.